Hey, I'm back for some more. Took a little break. Now we're gonna open some other shit. I don't know what we're gonna open. It's really exciting. I don't know what. I just grabbed these two bags from the other section. You know, the Balenciaga section over there. You can't see. I can't turn the camera. It's over there. So, which one? He says left? Okay, let's do left.
Hey guys, my name's Mayak. I am the newest kid on the block to the fashion luxury video YouTube channel Pate. These videos are all gonna be about luxury unboxing, reviews, talking about fashion, talking about jewelry, talking about clothes, talking about shoes, talking about accessories, everything. Focus on the stuff that I like, but open to suggestions. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please hit that like, subscribe button. Please share, do all those things. If you like this video, share it with your friends. If you do not like it, share it with your enemies. The video you're seeing and gonna see is I shot it a couple months ago. Sorry, I have not been able to edit it in time. Editing is like really hard and no one ever told me that. So I have edited it, and it's ready for you guys to watch. So without further ado, here's the video. It's from the GucciXBalenciaga collab that happened a couple months ago. I basically bought a bunch of stuff from that collab when I was in New York, and now I'm unboxing them for you. Okay.
Oh, okay. First of all, look at these bags. So, you know how these bags were this way. Half side bags. I'll talk about them for a second. Awesome. Half Gucci, half Balenciaga. Down the middle. You got different freaking handles. Can't speak. Good work, team. Good work, squad. These bags, they got the BB, like a soft, like yummy feeling. They also do have graffiti options where you can get like the graffiti, like the bags done on here, where like this is not a Gucci bag or like this is your name bag. But also, side note, be careful because that paint, it comes off. It rubs off, and it'll rub off onto your other shit. It rubbed off onto my other stuff and it was really sad. They should have told me. They did not. So they got it with the Gucci bag design. Go with the BBs. Instead of the GGs. Like Gucci did a half and half, they just went full Gucci. Okay. Oh. What's in here? What's in here? Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Look at her. So, you got BBs everywhere with the red and blue. Not their standard green and whatever, but still pretty good. Got the handles. So, I could have got just the plain one, of course, but
I'm really glad it opened this one.
Actually, because I got this one. This is not a Gucci bag. Got the graffiti one because, you know, I thought, why not? This is the hacker project, and this is what's gonna be a little more like, you know, known from the collection slash like. This is more of the limited edition piece, right? This was hard to come by. Also, like, you can wear it this way as that way, or you can wear it this way, and nobody would be the wiser. For work, for play, professional, sexual. It's got a little magnetic closure. Oh, and it's got the BB here too. Also, you guys, these are limited edition. Inside, it says Balenciaga 340 of 500. Meaning that they only made 500 of these, and this is number 340. So like only 500 people have this bag, which I guess makes it a little more special. Unless they decide to do another, you know, release, which if they do, that would kind of really suck, and also like make everybody probably upset and like ask for their money back, because no, you can't do that once you do a limited release with a number on it. So this is the bigger tote, not the smaller tote. It's a large tote or the medium tote, whatever. It's got one zip pocket in here, like I said, and then it's got another pocket on the other side that's open. It's a really big tote, you guys. Like, this is not a small tote. This is not like Goyard. This is not your Neverfull. This is like, this is a freaking monster beast. It's got some, but even the detail on those, right? It's that same feel. It's really soft. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like it's just huge. You can fit so much in here. Like, it goes all the way past my elbow. That's like a really big tote. Got a lot of space. Chai? You see Buf in here? Should we? Oh, this is a dog-sized coat. He fits. You okay? Okay. Look at that. Pretty big. You guys, it's huge. Look at the size of it. Okay, I'm gonna let it out. Boy. So yeah, it's got this nice lining inside, pretty sturdy base that comes out too. Who would have thunk it? Comes out if you want. Want to make it a more less structured tote, a little more Goyard. I kind of like the structure, so we're gonna put the. I hope this paint doesn't come off. I'm assuming it won't. Should I try to take it off? Okay, friends. So we did that one. Let's do one more before the break. Another one. It's a big one. Oh, okay. Here we got another bag. Obviously, maybe. Who knows? I can't tell. Same black BBs. Did it again. That's right. Look at this puppy. Poppy. We got the duffel. Black with the blue and red. And again, like I said, for work, for play. Oh my goodness. Okay. This one has a little bigger BBs here. We have this Balenciaga little luggage tag here. You got some keys here. Beautiful. Whoever uses these. I don't think anyone ever uses these. But lock down here. You did want to. That nice looking lock. All right. We got 2 handles and a lovely not leather strap. What do you think? This is a duffel. I think it's 50 inches. 50 inches, 50 cms. All right. Same. Shall we open it? Okay, so we got the same interior. Oh, this comes off too. Oh, look at that. Very, wanted it to be a little more supple. It can almost be like a little tote. You make it a little briefcase tote if you wanted. Lose that structure. Oh my god, it totally could be a briefcase like this. I'll lose the strap. And you got a little briefcase. Oh, I love that. Or you put it back in. Back on in. Now this one also gets one pocket on the inside with no zip and then another pocket with a zip. You got double the trouble. Let's see. Who knows? This info that literally tells me nothing. They would have left the price tags on. I honestly don't remember which was. Okay. And then, same thing here, you got that limited edition because it's got the graffiti. The graffiti ones are limited edition. Well, they're all limited edition, but the graffiti ones are even more limited edition because they only made so many. So for this one, they only made 350, and this is number 109. 109 at 350. Don't go making more Balenciaga. Does Balenciaga on the zipper? Doesn't really say Gucci anywhere, except for the pattern all over. Now for a little feet on the bottom. Good for you. All right, I see you.
Thank you guys so much for listening. I appreciate all of your time. Our time is so valuable. Our time is so precious these days. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. If you did not like this video, please share it with your enemies and bosses. Thanks.